Hi, I'm Puneet, and I am a motivational blogger at Admiring Life. I work in a family business with my father. So I really wanted to join Jackson's Elementor workshop as he knows a lot of about technical field of website developing. I have been with him in the Digital Deepak internship, so I've seen his work. So that's why I came to know about his product Elementor workshop, and I was very fascinated by that, and I really thought that I should join in. So this is some of my work that I did on day one. Actually, I was playing around and following the guidance and using all the widgets that he Jackson said to me, like this areas, having fun, adding a video test, navigation bars, and adding images, using the magic thing and all of this stuff. I tried it out in this Elementor workshop, and it was really cool. See. So this was something I created on the second day only. And my Elementor workshop experience till now till date when it was very vast, and creating, adding blocks here, editing the test and making it look alive about the workshop. Different things I tried, the color combinations, images thing, padding and margins, and all of this thing. It was really amazing getting this icon box over here, clicking it, it will pop up out, and something little background images and then image here as well. So that trying sections, inner sections, and all of those things, and writing about him. Just you can see the blink of the eye, like this action is here, and so many things. This will pop up, this will pop up. So different things I was trying and out. It was really fun. So color change and different types of things here. I really enjoyed making all of these things. I really liked the format of the workshop. Like on the day one, it was all basics of the Elementor, from the creating sections and widgets and pages, and showing us how to use those widgets and section and create a page of the Elementor. I really like this format, which is just showed on the day one only. And the second and third day we were allowed to have a break and practice it ourselves, and then on day two section and day 3 video we were taught different elements of the Elementor, like creating a header, creating a footer, and different things which are included in that, how to use a template or how to use a full page block. So lots of elements were there. I really like that all. And so Jackson as a trainer is, I will be honest here, that he's a little serious, and but shows you a path on how to do a certain task. One thing that stand out for him is you ask him any doubt, be sometimes off topic as well. He really solves that topic. He really give you time, and that this is the point that he, whatever you doubt have, if you have practiced and you come to him and you ask the doubt, he explains to you fully till the time you understand that concept. So I really like that about him. And you should join this Elementor workshop only if you want to really know about website building and how to create your own website, full website. And he will show you, guide you, make you practice and solve each and every one of your doubt whatever you have. And yes, if you are serious for your website and how to create pages and beautiful pages obviously, then this is a right workshop, because there are many page builders out there. Elementor is one of them, but how experienced he is in his field and using Elementor from years. So he really just give you everything in detail, and he will just solve each and every one of your doubts. So that's why I will say that you should join a specific Elementor workshop to build your website pages and all things. I really liked